Hello everyone, welcome to Guitarist.com. My name is Tavi Jinariu, and for today's tutorial I selected a piece entitled Lament for Ukraine. At the time of this recording, the world is in a lot of turmoil. What gave rise to this personal composition was a sense of sadness that I am experiencing when I see the amount of suffering right now happening in the country of Ukraine. This composition is not meant to make any kind of political statements or anything like that. Rather, is just there to identify myself with those who are suffering and mourn, and just to express my personal lament and a prayer that peace would return to that region. There is a lot of human suffering, a lot of people displaced, and this is a lament for the plight that's theirs during this time. This piece, Lament for Ukraine, sounds very similar to a flamenco musical form entitled tarantas, and this would be the tonality of a tarantas, where you have this sort of sad and disturbing sound as well. You have a conflicted type of note. So it may be reminiscent of a tarantas, but let's take a look at this piece. Many of you have downloaded the sheet music. This is a free tutorial. The sheet music and tablature is available to you for free. So let me walk you through this piece. I have divided this up into two different sections, bars number 1 through the first part of bar 16, and then bar 16, the second half of that bar, to the end of the piece as the second half of the tutorial. If you look at the sheet music, you notice that this is written in 4/4. Each bar contains the equivalent of 4 quarter notes, and it's in the key of B minor. All the F notes and the C notes are going to be sharp. So bars number 1 and 2 are identical. So let me break down bar number 1. All the notes have exactly the same value, and we have a B, F sharp, and D on the 5th string 2nd fret, F sharp on the 4th string 4th fret, and D grabbed with finger number 2 on the 2nd string 3rd fret. And I'm using P, I, A, I for the right hand. So 1 and 2, and then the A finger moves to the open 1st string, back to the F sharp, D, bar number 2 identical to bar number 1. Now moving into bar number 3, I'm keeping the 3rd finger planted and anchored. So that finger does not become airborne, but rather I continue to press that F sharp note, and the bass note switches from a B to open A, 5th string, F sharp, then C sharp. That C sharp is played by a partial bar chord on the 2nd fret, 2nd string, back to F sharp, 1st string 2nd fret, 2nd string 2nd fret, bar number 4 identical repeat to bar number 3, bar number 5, the bass note shifts from open 5th string to a G, and notice that the 3rd finger continues to stay anchored. G with finger number 2. It's kind of an awkward way to grab this chord, but it will make sense when you see F, a G, F sharp, C sharp with finger number 1 on the 2nd string 2nd fret, back to F sharp. Now finger number 1 is going to shift to a D, and then open B, bar number 6 identical repeat, bar number 7 I continue to keep finger number 3 anchored on the F sharp, and I play an F sharp in the bass with finger number 1 on the 6th string 2nd fret, F sharp 4th string, open G, back to F sharp, B, open 2nd string, F sharp, G, sharp, F sharp. So bar 7. Bar number 8 serves the same purpose as a dominant chord, but the notes here are F sharp in the bass, same bass note, G played with the 4th finger on the 4th string 5th fret, A sharp with finger number 2 on the 3rd string 3rd fret, back to G, open 2nd string, okay, so bar 7 and 8. Okay, bar number 9. There are variances that you could apply to this piece of music. You could play it as we did in the first half of the piece, bar number 1, F sharp, D, back to F sharp, E, F sharp, D, or you could add a 3rd open string instead of the 2nd F sharp. So bar number 9, B, F sharp, D. Now instead of this next F sharp, you could add a G. And everything is the same. So I like that sonority, I like that the quality of that open 3rd string, and it creates some variation so that the piece doesn't feel as repetitive. So bar number 9. That was bar number 9 and 10. Bar number 11, identical to bar 3 and 4. Bar 13 now. There is a slight variation. Instead of playing just a C sharp by itself with finger number 1 on the 2nd fret of the 2nd string, I'm adding the open 3rd string G. So G, F sharp, G and C sharp together, return to F sharp, shifting up finger number 1 to the 3rd fret, G and D together, F sharp by itself, then open 3rd and 2nd string. Okay, bar 13. And let all the notes ring out. Now bar number 14, E, E on the 4th string 2nd fret, C sharp and G together, C sharp on the 2nd fret, 2nd string, G open 3rd string, back to E, then I'm going to play G and D together, E, G and B together, open 3rd string and 2nd string, followed by E, bar 14 again together, and bar 15 identical to bar 7. Now the first half of bar 16, identical to the beginning of bar number 8. So let's play the whole first half. Slowing down and decrescendo, start again.